Well, a very good morning and you're welcome back to Ireland's Weather Channel. It's a certainly fresher feel to conditions this morning across the country. We've lost that very mild, very warm, humid southwesterly air mass. We've seen our wind switch around to a more westerly direction today, and that's as a direct result of that weather front that passed through yesterday afternoon, yesterday evening across the country. We do have clear skies at the moment, but already there are some showers developing along parts of the southwest, west and northwestern coastlines, and these will spread more countrywide as we go through the late morning, through the afternoon, evening hours as well. Some of these will be heavy, perhaps the odd thundery shower as well, especially so for parts of West Connacht and into West Ulster here in particular. Temperature wise, as we said, it's a little bit fresher today, highs of around about 16 to 17, maybe 18 degrees Celsius in one or two locations, feeling fresher, but still pleasantly warm if we get some sunnier spells and you're out of that westerly wind. Now, over the course of the next couple of days, the remnants of ex-Hurricane Erin are going to deliver our weather, and by deliver we mean deliver some rather unsettled conditions, it must be said. So through tomorrow, Wednesday, through Thursday and Friday, each of these days will be characterised by heavy showers, some of which will lead to more prolonged spells of rain at times, and accompanying that there will be some fresher winds as well. And generally speaking, it is going to feel a lot fresher too, with our wind swinging around from a west or northwesterly direction at times as well. Into the weekend, of course, the all-important forecast for Electric Picnic. At the moment, it looks as though Friday itself might be one of the drier days over the course of that 3-day festival. Through Friday night, however, there is the potential for some heavier outbreaks of rain to develop at that stage. Similarly so on Saturday. Saturday looks like quite a wet day, although it might clear off the showers as we go through the late evening and into the nighttime hours. And then similarly so for Sunday, we expect to see a cool, blustery day with plenty of heavy showers feeding in from the northwest. And that goes really countrywide in terms of that forecast. Temperatures around about average, maybe a little below for the time of year, and generally remaining unsettled through that period. Now, into next week, we keep the fresher, more unsettled outlook, certainly for the start of the week. And that leads us then, as we go forward to, as we said, that kind of unsettled start into September. It's expected to stay unsettled right the way up until around about the 9th or the 10th. Now, at that stage, there are some tentative signs that we may see something a little bit more settled developing again. High pressure looks to build in, and that could potentially settle things down for the second half of the month of September. Although at this stage, it is too early, and we need to keep our eye across the Atlantic to see what is happening in a tropical sense. Are we going to see the development of further tropical storms or hurricanes, and are they going to have an impact down the line on our weather here in Ireland? Thanks a million to everybody who's tuning in this morning. Again, this video has been posted on our Facebook via YouTube, where we're going to be posting all our video content from now on. So if you do want to join us there, please go on to our YouTube and you can hit the subscribe button on our YouTube. We've done this as a consequence as well. I suppose we were always going to do this, but we've done this as a consequence now of the situation on Facebook, whereby they allow you to trial a particular platform, a subscription thing, but they don't allow you to take it down when you decide to not run with that. So as a consequence, a lot of our videos are going to be on YouTube. Go onto our YouTube, hit subscribe on our YouTube. Don't hit subscribe on our Facebook button. Thank you very much for tuning in this morning. I'll be back with a further update this afternoon. We'll have a text forecast, making my way down to the lovely city of Cork, a place I have very fond memories of, where I lived for 2 years on North Main Street over the cinema. So it'll be nice to get back down and see everybody and see Cork City itself. Get a few O'Gorman's gluten-free sausages into me as well. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you again very soon. Bye for now.